recording. So we're 15 miles out. We got some birds following behind us. These are our sails are up. And yep, we're rocking. About 15 miles out in the Atlantic Ocean. Sit down on your butt. And we're headed towards Cape Canaveral. We left Fort Pierce.
And I'm still in my pajamas.
And we're headed. It's a beautiful sailing day. How fast are we going?
7 knots.
We're about 7 knots. The winds are about 10. How strong are the winds?
What's that?
The wind. The winds are. The sun is obviously shining bright. Aria's enjoying the up and down. Symphony's over there chilling.
Chewy.
Chilling like a villain.
14.
And 14 knots on the wind. And 14 miles per hour on the wind. And Aria almost got hit by our jib. The jib is the sail in the front. We also have the main sail back here. And so it's just a beautiful day. I'll talk to you guys later when we get closer to the shore. We're gonna head back in. Love you. Mwah.